Dreaming of international travel, study abroad, or a job overseas? You'll need one thing first: your passport. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to apply for a passport in India in 2025. It's easier than you think. Before you apply, get your documents ready. You'll need proof of address like Aadhaar card or utility bill, proof of date of birth, like a birth certificate or 10th mark sheet, Idaho proof PAN card or Aadhaar. And if you're applying under the Tatkaal scheme, some extra forms are needed. Now go to the Passport Seva website. Click New User Registration, fill your details, create a login, and verify your email. Once you log in, select Apply for Fresh Passport or Reissue Passport. Fill in all your personal, family, and address info carefully. Then select between Normal or Tatkaal service and submit the form. Next, choose your nearest Passport Seva Kendra or post office center. Pick a date and time, then pay online using UPI, card or net banking. Pro tip: normal costs Rs 1500. Tatkaal is faster but costs more, around Rs 3500. Visit the center on your appointment day. Carry your appointment receipt, originals and self-attested copies of documents. You'll go through 3 stages: A. Document check, B. Photo and fingerprint, C. Final approval. Police verification usually happens after the PSK visit. A local cop might come to your home, so be there and have your documents handy. Use your file number to track your passport online. Normal 7-14 working days. Tatkaal, just 1-3 days. It arrives right at your doorstep by speed post. And that's it. Your passport is just 7 steps away. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy explainers. Safe travels.